What's that?
Cute polka dots. Polka dots.
What is it?
Furry.
Is that what you want? Huh?
How cute niya.
Merry Christmas, baby girl.
Do you like it? And look, it comes with stickers. And pretty. What's this? Look, there's a sticker for her. Look, yeah.
What's gonna be the name of your Furby?
Huh?
How about Pressy?
No.
Or
No. How about
Maring?
Marisa?
O Marisa na lang.
No. Why? Are you listening to me? What is this for hero? Ooh. Ooh, that's a lot. Mayroon pang ito.